I'm gonna be making a slime worth $1. But that's not all. I'm also gonna be making a slime worth $100 and another one worth $1,000. But we're gonna start off with the $1 slime. For this $1 slime, I have to be very precise and careful. So I'm gonna start off with our Elmer's glue. And guys, I have a tiny little pot. Look at this little pot. I'm gonna be mixing all of my materials in this pot. I also have a little scale so that I can get the perfect measurements to be worth $1. Let's get started. I love how this is a galaxy looking glue. I feel like even though it's $1, we gotta make it look really nice. Ooh, it has like a metallic pigment in there. And gotta think for a sec. How much glue is worth $1? According to my calculations, we need about 0.5 grams of glue in order to be $1, plus the activator and all the other things. So let's start weighing that. All right, what do we have here? 6.3? That's close enough. We gotta add activator. For our activator, I'm gonna use this tiny little cup. Dan, get closer. Check out this tiny cup. All right, let's go get some activator. According to the activator calculations, we need to add 1 full jug of tiny activator. I have my cute tweezers, and let's start whipping up our slimes. Whoever created this $1 slime recipe is totally wrong. This is too much activator. This looks like Christian slime sometimes.
Wow, look at that mess.
Not what I was expecting. This is so ugly. No wonder it only costs $1. Let's see if we can give it a good stretch. It's rippy. The beautiful pigment that it once had is gone. It looks like a piece of gum on concrete. Looks like I got it out of the parking lot. For a $1 slime, it's not it. Let's move on to the next one. This is what $100 of Peachybbies slime looks like. And by the way, if you want a Peachybbies slime, you can get one online at peachybbies.com. This is Matcha Bear Waffle DIY clay kit, and just like this one, you can get so many more unique and fun slimes. This slime right here is so fun to assemble, guys. Look at the little waffle. Smells like matcha. I love that you can sprinkle on all the sprinkles that it comes with and assemble your very own DIY clay kit. Make sure that you don't miss our next restock. So why did I show you $100 worth of Peachybbies slimes? That's because we're gonna be making a giant Peachybbies slime that's worth $100. For this $100 slime, we're gonna be using our very nice, high quality Peachybbies ingredients. We're gonna start off with our glue. And we have to get the perfect amount worth 6 slimes. So I think right around here. I'm gonna be using our sky blue dye because I wanna make a slime themed after my sweatshirt. A kitty slime would be super cute. So let's add some blue. This will be a winter kitty cat slime. Comment down below if you have a little kitty. Now let's add some activator and stir it up. Pour that in. It's really pretty to look at. All right, let's keep mixing and get the consistency that we need. And I kind of want to do the Bingzu cloud dough mix. I feel like that'll be a really nice kitty cat vibe. So this will be our Bingzu base. Ah, it's gonna take forever. You guys know how I feel about hand mixing. That mixer looks so tempting. It's trying to call my name. All right, so our slime is getting pretty activated. So far, so good. Now, let's add some Bingzu so that we can make it into a Bingzu slime. Hey, Dan, add some Bingzu, please. Yay, let it rain, Bingzu. Okay, that's good, that's good. Thank you, that was a lot. All right, Dan got a little crazy, but yeah, now we're gonna start mixing it and make it into a Bingzu. Hey, can you get my sleeves? Thank you. There's something so nice about just hand mixing and getting your hands in the slime, you know? We don't need no spatulas. This is so much fun. There we have it, guys. Our very own Bingzu Peachybbies slime. And now I have some cloud dough. I pre-dyed this cloud dough to a very nice lavender color because I want it to look like soft kitten fur. Cloud dough is the perfect texture for that. Let's assemble our Peachybbies slime. I'm gonna let the cloud dough do its action. I love the good drizzles. It has beautiful drizzles. And we want to make it look really pretty. So I'm gonna give this a nice, beautiful Sunday swirl at the top. All right, I think that looks beautiful. Now we have to go find the perfect charms to make this a $100 worth slime. Let's go. This right here is our most expensive glitter, and it's perfect because it looks like snow, so it matches my sweatshirt. Look at that. Whoa, there's glitter everywhere. This sprinkle mix right here is perfect because it has a ton of cute little snowflakes, like that one. Lastly, we're gonna add these really cute pink cats. These right here are some rare charms. This glitter is so pretty. What I'm gonna do is just kind of go like that and make it snow. Oh my god, there's glitter everywhere. I love the theme of this slime being winter kitty cat. I've always wanted a cat myself, but I'm allergic. So if you have a cat, you are very lucky. All right, now that that's all glittered up, let's add a really cute sprinkle mix. Okay, let's add our cats. Now these cats right here are so rare that they're gonna bring us to $100. I love their little eyes. They look kind of freaky. It's funny. There we have it. This slime right here is worth $100. It's really pretty, but that's not all. We're gonna be moving on to a $1,000 slime. Let's go. Our last and final slime is worth $1,000. Now, I chose clear slime for the base because clear slime takes about 2 to 3 weeks to clear up, and you know what they say, time is money. So this slime right here is already worth a bunch of money. And we're gonna be adding gold leaf. Gold leaf itself is such a rare and delicate item. This already is gonna make our slime worth a lot of money. You guys, I went all around the internet trying to find the best gold leaf because there's like 1,000 different kinds. But this one right here was the most luxurious one. I made sure to get the highest quality gold leaf possible. Ooh, let's try to crinkle it up and add some little crinkled ones here. We want to add some texture. Ooh, that's some nice ASMR, guys. Look. Put that right here. This one will make it $1,000. Ready? Oh, the gold leaf slime. Wow, it's beautiful. It's giving celebration and all happy vibes. Sorry guys, I'm getting a call. Hello? Oh, hey Andrea. What? This is only worth $200? Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. Okay, bye. Guys, this slime is only worth $200. Apparently gold leaf is not that expensive. This slime is only worth $200 and we need 800 more. Dan, do you have any ideas?
Let me make some calls. There you go.
Whoa, diamonds? Dan, where'd you get these?
Don't ask questions you don't want to know.
That was weird. Anyways, let's make it rain diamonds. Let's keep going. Woo! Diamonds! There is no way this slime isn't $1 million now. I think we went over budget, but Dan gave me fake diamonds, so I have to compensate for whatever his little scheme was. I'll be right back. We all know how it goes here at Peachybbies. Christian has been doing a 40-day to 4 million subscriber challenge, and he has a huge budget. Now, I was thinking, why not steal from his budget? Just don't tell anyone. This right here will be enough. This is a stack of $10,000, so let's just take a few of these bills, about $700. There we have it, a $1,000 slime. I think it's beautiful. It screams moneylicious and all things luxurious. All right, guys, let's mix our slime. Ooh, I know this is gonna be super satisfying. Also, let's make it rain. Woo! It doesn't even fit all our diamonds. There's so many. Oh, it sounds really interesting. Guys, this slime is super pretty, but it's not really practical. Maybe that's why slime isn't that expensive. You don't need $1,000 slime to have fun with slime, and that's what makes slime so great. Let's get this expensive slime out of here. Ugh. This is more like it. That's a good slime. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below letting me know which slime was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.